I'm Carrie Banner, and I support a broad range of clients with financial inquiries, compliance needs, and fraud investigations. I help my clients understand their risks for fraud, waste, and abuse, and use data analytics to gather facts to help them make more informed decisions on mitigating these risks. I often need to present how my analytics support our hypotheses and investigations. These presentations are often made to non-technical clients, so I'm constantly making sure my slides are effective in communicating my message. In this video, we'll revisit step 2 from the 8-step approach, know your purpose. Remember, this step is about defining the aims and objectives of your presentation. This information helps you craft your key message and story around a single intent. As a reminder, begin by ensuring that you have a clear understanding of the client or team situation that you will be discussing in your presentation. What is the problem statement? Why is there a need for change? What is your hypothesis for solving it? Once you've defined the purpose of your presentation, you can then identify what kind of deck to use. Today we'll discuss 4 different types of decks. You'll need to select the one that aligns most closely with the purpose of your presentation and the client situation at hand. The first is the proposal, or pitch deck. It maps out the approach to solving the client problem. This is something you'd use with decision makers in order to sell work. This deck is high-level, pitch-specific, and based on preliminary research and analysis. Standard proposal elements in this type of deck are company methodologies, case studies, team bios, and so on. The second type of presentation is the status update deck. This could be used to assist the client in preparing a project overview to the board of directors or other executives. This kind of deck is more concise and higher level than other deck types. Its purpose is to provide the client stakeholders an update on the most important aspects of the project. It typically contains project management highlights and recommendations prior to a full content type of presentation. The third type of deck is the executive summary deck. This one articulates findings in less detail, but still acknowledges client challenges and provides recommendations. It is often supported by a detailed report. The last type of presentation is the full content deck, or the report findings. It's also sometimes referred to as the leave behind. It details the findings of client work or a project and contains enough information to be understood independently of other documents far into the future. This deck includes detailed information and analyses such as texts, lists, tables, and charts. It's also the most common final written deliverable of a client assignment and is structured to be read on its own. So, as you can see, clearly defining your purpose will not only help you craft your message, but also allow you to determine the most appropriate format for your presentation. Whether a proposal, status update, executive summary, or full content deck, be sure to choose the type of presentation that most effectively supports your purpose and client situation. In our next video, we'll look at structuring your storyline.